Hello ladies and gentlemen, you're watching this do-it-yourself channel. Today we have 2020 Chevy Traverse and we will be installing those WeatherTech mud flaps. So they will go on the back. It says no drilling, so we'll check. To start with, we will remove those temporary ones that are installed and we'll try to attach the new one. Right, so those mud flaps came with the manual and it says remove 4 factory Torx screws. It's T15, so I will get those removed. If you have electrical ratchet, that will be much faster. Mine is not available at the moment, so I will use the manual one, but there is enough room between the wheel and the fender valve to get the ratchet in, so you don't really need to remove the wheel, which is really nice because in most of the cars and trucks it's much easier to remove the wheel than trying to do it with the wheel on. This is coming not too bad at all. So this is the second one, and right now we have some temporary mat flaps that I made while I was waiting for the delivery. I will leave a link in the description to the video so you can order those on Amazon. They came earlier than we expected them, but probably should expect at least a week for them to arrive. So 1, 2, 3. There is one more. 4. That remote. And also they provide T15 bit. So here is the new mud flap, and you can see lots of curves, and this is designed specifically for this vehicle. We'll see how well it fits, but the main goal is that we don't drill anything, we don't make any extra holes, because normally if you drill in metal part, that will provoke corrosion. So it's really nice if you can avoid making holes by yourself. So we'll go to the next one. So far so good. The regulation for our province is that the distance from the ground to the bottom of the mud flap should be less than 10 inches. Otherwise it won't pass safety. So that's the main reason why we are installing those. Okay, so this was the third one. If we can get the fourth one in, it will be just fantastic. Hopefully that hole lines up too. Have some troubles getting it started. Okay, so I will get those loose a bit, because seems like that hole inside needs to go up a bit. So we'll make sure that those are loose. Try to wiggle and push it slightly up. Okay, so it took a little bit of wiggling and tiggling to get that one in, though I didn't have to drill an extra hole and make it bigger. All I needed to get those other three loose and push that inner hole, inner side of the mud flap up as much as I could. So now we'll just get the rest tight. So yeah, don't get those three tight, just get them started. Make sure that all four are started before you tighten them up. Okay, let's take a look from the back. This is how it looks. It looks quite well. Sits quite well. There's a little bit of a gap over there. Not too terrible. So far so good. Let's do the other side. Okay, so for the other side, nothing new. I've removed those three T15. We'll install the mud flap or the splash guard. So I think it's important to note that they are different on the left and on the right, so you need to pay attention when you select them for each side, where to put them. So this time we will not get those screws tight, we will just get them started, and hopefully the screw number 4 will line up better. It still took a little bit of effort, so that hole number 4 would be nice if it's a little bit higher than it is made right now. But in general, the quality of the mud flaps looks good. Holes are lining up not too terrible. Replacement is not difficult. Don't need to take the tire off. So just get that tight and call it done. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. You should check a link in the description to the video to buy those mud flaps. This will help the channel to grow. And as always, just do it yourself. Take care.